Hello and welcome to CTS Cement, producers of rapid set cement and component shrinkage compensating cement. In just a few moments, we're going to demonstrate some of our rapid set products. I'm Matt Samble, Vice President of Product Development. And before I tell you more about our products, I want to tell you a little bit about our great people. We have amazing engineers, material scientists, and chemists, including multiple PhDs on staff, who are developing new products and researching cement technology. We also have great production and quality teams that are working, in some cases, around the clock to keep up with production and make sure we deliver the highest quality products to you. Then we've got this great team of sales and technical support staff, many of whom are here today, and their sole job is to help you have more success on all your projects. CTS is the largest U.S. manufacturer of calcium sulfoaluminate cement, or CSA cement for short. Rapid Set is a Bolytic CSA cement that delivers speed, strength, and durability. Rapid Set products are fast. Many of our products, like the Cementol, gain structural strength in just 1 hour. It also has very low shrinkage, which means it has a lower risk of cracking compared to traditional cement products, and also has high sulfate resistance. So we've recently completed EPDs, or Environmental Product Declarations, on our cement. And what those show is that CTS, the Rapid Set cement, has a 25% lower global warming potential compared to Portland cement. So that means CTS has actually saved the Earth almost 1.5 billion pounds of carbon emissions by replacing Portland cement with Rapid Set cement. And these are real numbers. These come directly from the EPD, which is a certified official accounting of carbon emissions. Plus, we're doing this without having to dilute our cement with limestone or any other inert filler. So we're very proud to do our part to reduce global carbon emissions. So Rapid Set products have been used on a wide range of applications, from highways and airport panel replacements to commercial and industrial floors to really all aspects of concrete repair and restoration. So Rapid Set products will save time and money and yield long-lasting results. So let's get to the fun stuff. Today we're going to demonstrate the Rapid Set Cementol, which is a multi-purpose repair material that's engineered to set in just 15 minutes and gain structural strength in 1 hour. We also have the ultra-fast anchoring adhesive, which is a 2-component styrene-free vinyl ester that's, you guessed it, ultra-fast. So this one can be used in a wide range of temperatures as well. So while they're mixing the Cementol, I'll remind you that it's based on Rapid Set Bolytic CSA cement. It's a standalone cement, which means it doesn't have to be blended with Portland cement or gypsum or anything else to get high early and long-term strength. It also has excellent durability and low shrinkage. So come on up, get a closer look at the demonstrations. We're going to get some great shots for you also on these screens. And while we've got another moment, I'll let you know these wood planks were actually made with Cementol. They're not wood at all. We had an amazing artist come in and create this, and he really did a fantastic job. Also, this wall over here was all made with Cementol. So there's really a ton of different opportunities and different potentials we could use. So Cementol can be installed from 0 to 4 inches thick, and in just a moment, Sandro here is going to create a ramp that'll go all the way down to 0 to a feather edge and all the way up to about 4 inches. It's a multi-purpose repair. It's got a fine silica sand in it, so it can be used on all types of surfaces: concrete, brick, block, and stone. It's great for interior or exterior applications, so new construction or existing construction. So really, we all need to have a few bags of Cementol on our vehicles at all times. So very easy to install. It's easy to ramp up to 4 inches. Now, once this product is set, we want to water cure it for about 1 hour. And we start water curing after it starts to harden, but before it loses its moist sheen. And what the water curing does, it helps to maintain the right amount of water inside the mix so the cement can properly hydrate. So again, Sandro's ramping it up. He's going all the way down to feather edge and up to 4 inches thick. After the demonstration, you can come up and take a closer look at the repairs. Now he's moving over to a spall repair. And if you may have noticed, we pre-wet this surface. So we want our surface to be saturated surface dry, or SSD. And what that does is the water helps to fill the pores of your existing concrete. So that way we don't lose our mixed water into the substrate. So that gives you better adhesion and helps the cement to hydrate a little bit better. Gives us better strength as well. Now the Cementol is also compatible with our Concrete Pharmacy line of additives. So we could use our set control, which is our set retarding admixture, to give it extra working time. And we can also use our flow control, which is what we're going to demonstrate right here, to give it more fluidity without having to add extra water. So maybe we can get a good shot here to see what the consistency is right now before we add the flow control. You can see it's already starting to be a little bit stiff. And the benefit of adding an additive like this instead of water is if you add too much water, you're going to get lower strength and potential for higher shrinkage, which could lead to cracks. So if you want a higher fluidity mix, flow control is a great additive to use. And hopefully you can see on the screen how much more fluid it is. Now we can also use this if you don't want it super fluid. We can use the flow control to reduce our mix water, which will give us even higher strengths. So now we can see how easy it is to pour into this hole. So the Cementol will gain structural strength of 3,000 psi in just 1 hour and will actually exceed 9,000 psi in 28 days. So it's a very high strength concrete repair material. So in just a moment, we'll demonstrate the ultra-fast anchoring adhesive. This is a 2-component styrene-free vinyl ester. So that means it actually has higher strength and better chemical resistance, as well as lower odor compared to a polyester. So we simply unscrew the cap, screw on the provided mixing nozzle, and we want to make sure we're using a high quality gun. We recommend an 18:1 minimum thrust ratio. So that means every squeeze of the trigger, you get good movement of the piston. So what Rafa was just doing is the two parts are, the A and B part are white and black. So we want to squeeze a little bit out of the nozzle on the side to make sure we get to a nice even gray consistency, and that indicates proper mixing. Now, the ultra-fast anchoring adhesive has undergone rigorous testing to get ICC and NSF certified. The NSF means that it can be used with or adjacent to potable drinking water. It's great in a wide range of temperatures, can go all the way down to 14 degrees Fahrenheit or up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. And it also has a very high heat deflection temperature, so that means in very hot temperatures, it won't soften. So it's great for anchoring all kinds of applications. It's even been used to anchor eye bolts on tilt-up construction for when they lift the panels. And as we all know, there's no room for failure when lifting tilt walls. So if you look up on the screen, the Highway J Bridge in Missouri, they use the Cementol to grout these keyways. And this project actually got top marks by the National Bridge Inventory for deck, substructure, and superstructure because they used the Cementol. The requirement was 3,000 psi in 24 hours, and Cementol was actually able to achieve 7,000 psi in that same time frame. So that's it for our demonstration today. Can I get a hand for these guys out here doing the demonstration and the team in the back doing the mixing?